YouTube, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. And as you guys could tell, we have a little something. Yeah, I got gloves on because I'm about to get to detailing. But your boy picked up a new car. You guys are probably wondering, you guys seen a little glance. Your boy picked up a 2012 Infiniti G37 sedan. Your boy pretty much wanted a daily, and I picked this up for a super steal. I'm not gonna say no prices because I'm not 100% sure on if I'm gonna be keeping the car and slamming it, putting wheels on it and just dailying it and keeping the Nismo as my little wannabe race car or whatever, or if we're gonna just clean it, fix it, and sell it, because I did get it for a reasonable price. If I do end up selling it, I'll tell you guys the breakdown, how much I spent, how much I bought it for, yada yada. But yeah, guys, it is a clean unit. Got backup cam. It's the Journey trim Infiniti G37. I don't know what that comes with. I don't know too much about these cars. And I thought at first it was black, but I mean, it is black, but it's not a regular black. So this is Infiniti's OEM color. It's called Malbec Black Metallic or Malbec Black Pearl, I think. It has like a eggplant dark purple color to it, but you could tell the car is black. It's just the flake that they put into the paint. It's like a reddish dark cherry purple flake. So yeah, it's a beautiful unit, you feel me? Got little things here and there. The car was extra dirty. I did give it a car wash, a quick car wash. So we got this right here, pretty much. Gonna be getting this repainted real soon. It's no scratches. The paint just cracked. I guess I got resprayed, a cheap paint job on the front bumper. I'll be getting that fixed, don't worry. So we're gonna get this resprayed. Let me open up the car real quick. All right, bear with me. The interior is dirty and fucked. So we got some fucking ripped up seats. I already got 2 brand new seats and that glove armrest thing, brand new. Got a new shift knob. The dash is cracked. Can't really do nothing about that. Not gonna waste my time changing that out. But yeah, we got 2 new seats, new glove box armrest, new shift, fucking, it's automatic by the way. New shift knob because that one's fucking cracked. Yeah, the car is dirty. I did pick this up at the auction. Your boy did get his auction license. So, car is dirty. Car's been sitting in a fucking yard for a long time. I'm gonna give her a nice little cleanup. Like I said, I already did the outside. I gave her a quick little wash because I couldn't see it dusty. And I also cleaned up the engine bay because I couldn't see that dirty as well. That shit was pissing me off. Nice little stock VHR. Thing is looking way better than it was before. The body is good. Got its little minor scratches, you know, like, feel me, like little things here and there. Nothing I can't fix. So yeah, the plans are, if I keep this car, I'm gonna turn this into the daily because the Nismo, not trying to put too much miles on it. We might also have another deal, possibly, coming up where I might end up trading my Nismo. As sad as it sounds, trust me, like, it would all make sense if I do fall through with that deal. But yeah, if I do end up keeping this Malbec Black Pearl, Malbec Black Metallic Infiniti G37, we're gonna turn it into a daily, BC coilovers, lower it, wheels, new headlights, tail lights, you feel me? The whole 9 yards. We're gonna make it look good. But if I do end up changing my mind, I will be selling the car. Bumper should be going in for spray this weekend. Your boy picked up another VQ, man. Let me see how it looks like next to its brother. Anyways, I'm gonna get to cleaning the car. The sun is pissing me the fuck off right now. I'm gonna get to cleaning the car. I'm gonna do the little interior cleanup. I'm gonna just vibe. I know you guys don't really want to see that. And yeah, I'll probably show you guys an after, and then we'll get on with the video. You could just tell your boy has a problem, man. What can I say, man? I love my VQs. About to give this bitch a fucking interior detail of death. All right, day 2, working on the car. Day 2, working on this beast of a machinery. Didn't get to show you guys, but cleaned up the interior. It's better than before. Still need some more clean. I got some leather cleaner for the seats, but the floors, the doors, all the whores, everything clean. Yeah, I know you guys see these fucked up seats, fucked up armrest, fucked up shift knob. Well, not shift knob, but automatic knob. Fucked up steering wheel. Got a cover for this. Got a new front seat, driver, new passenger, new armrest. This car is about to be brand new once again. So yeah, let's give her a nice little coldie. Oh my God. That's what a healthy VQ sounds like. Mine Nismo don't sound like that. I don't use American tools, nigga. We only drive Japanese shits. We don't drive these hoopty ass Tahoe piece of gays. Look at the new seats we picked up, boys. Boy, that engine ain't gonna outlast nothing, nigga. That's LS gay, nigga. Got a new glovey. Driver, passenger, glovey. Yo, shut your gay ass up, nigga. Tell me stop making videos, nigga. Nigga, nobody buying this hoopty, nigga. Give it up. Well, what you doing with my oil? Oh, shit. Picked up some good, fresh Mobile One for my Z and the G. Look at them two together. Shut your gay ass up, bruh. Look at the twins. Nigga, that shit's garbage. That shit's more than garbage, nigga. BQ boys. If y'all don't know how to change sedan G37 seats, it's simple. It's gonna be a plastic there, plastic on that side. 214, you got 14 right here. 14 on the other side. Slide the chair forward with the thing. 14 there, 14 there. Same thing with both. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And then before you unplug all this, there's a bunch of things you gotta unplug under the seat. Make sure you get all 4 bolts out, lean the chair back, and before you take out all the clips for the airbag and the motor and stuff like that, disconnect your battery or else you will throw a airbag code. So, you know, get all 4 bolts out on each chair, move it back, flip the chair, take the battery out, then unplug the clips. And then when you go to install them back, plug the clips in, put the chair, then you can plug the battery back in, and then, you know, put the bolts back. It's pretty easy. I'll get back to you guys when I am done. Wait, let me get these shits. Yo! Nigga, I'm not nigga, I just got down here. I'm not worried about this chair. This chair is light work. Nigga, I need the other chair out. It has 2, nigga. You gotta lift up a plastic piece. Nigga, shut your gay ass up. I'm about to get demonetized with all this cussing. Look at these dirty booty ass seats. Whoever owned this car before, boy, your ass was dirty as hell, boy. I'm about to get on your ass. Before, got the armrest with the big ass rip. Fucking driver's seat with the rips on it. After, driver's seat installed. New armrest installed. Let me show you guys the passenger seat though. This shit is crazy. Before, nigga fucking shit himself. After. Next we got the couple weeks have passed and your boy got the G37 resprayed, man. Remember how that front bumper was looking before? Come on, man. Also got the headlights re-cleared. Crispy. Come on, man. Sadly, we are not keeping this car. We are gonna be selling it. I'm on the hunt for something better. So whenever I sell it, I'll update you guys, tell you guys how much I bought the car for, how much I put into the car, and how much I made off of the car pretty much. Yep, quarter panel had that big ass dent. Gone. They even kept the line just like on the other side. Let me show you. See that line? That guy's nice as fuck. But anyways, I'll update you guys whenever I do sell the G. VQ's the world, man. VQ's the world. Sold the G37, man, for full price. Come on, man. Come on. 8,500 cash. Good flips. Good flips. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Good money for the day.